Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here, and you come to this list. So then you click on your name, then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it, and come to this list here. Then you go down. So you keep going down here. Then you click on account settings. So then come to this list, you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time. So then you click here on notifications and come to this list. You click here on updating your profile. When you click on it, here, it's going to take you to this list. You come to allow profile improvement notifications. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.